you just got mugged.
Kill them! It was just a prank!
Ash, calm down, okay? We need to find out more.
Holy shit.
Oh, I don't know if you think messing with me is somehow going to help me deal with my grief.
Run! It's your phone.
What?
Oh, fuck, what the fuck? Jessica! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jess! Jess! Jessica! Jessica! Jess! No! Shit! Fuck! Oh no, damn it! Come on. Let's go, Mikey boy. Jessica! Jess! Jessica, I'm coming! I'm coming! Jessica! Jessica!
Help me! Oh no! Michael!
Jess! No! Oh, God! No, Jessica! Oh, my God! Jess! Jess, are you okay?
Help.
What the fuck? I just gotta make it! Jesus. The fuck is that place? What the? Oh no. Ashley! Oh. Ash. Ash! What the fuck? Oh, shit. No. Ash! Ashley! Ashley? Anyone out there? Ashley? Ash! 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 Ashley? Ash? Ashley! God damn it!
Red!
Ash, I'm here. Where are you?
I don't know. Chris, are you there?
Hello, and thank you all for joining
Oh my
me.
God, wake up!
Tonight,
What?
we're going to
What is
conduct
this?
a little experiment, sort of test.
What the hell's going
Now, for
on?
this experiment,
No, I don't know.
we'll need the cooperation of our two test subjects, Joshua and Ashley.
What?
Oh my
But
God.
we're going to need one more brave participant to help decide which subject will live and which will die.
No! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Chris, get
Can't
us
do
out
this.
of here!
Let me
Please.
down from here, you maniac!
Please, everyone calm down. It's all very simple. Christopher, you will find a lever placed directly in front of you. All you have to do is choose who you will save.
Please, this can't be happening.
Shit,
Oh
no!
God, oh God, this isn't right!
Okay, this is gonna be okay.
Oh
Oh, dude, buddy, let's
my
just think
God.
about this for a
Chris,
minute.
You can't let me die!
Just give me a second. I can't think straight. Just
Huh?
Ashley, I'll get you out of this. I won't let you die. No.
Thank
Please,
you.
no.
This is insane. This is nuts. This isn't happening.
I see. You have chosen to save Ashley.
No, Chris!
No.
I thought we were friends, man. I thought we were friends.
Sorry.
Why would you do this?
Magic!
Oh, God, what did I do? Ah!
Stop it! You can't do this! Please! No, don't look, Ashley.
Why
Don't look.
can't I look? Chris, please tell me he's okay, please.
I'm coming, Ash. I'm gonna get you down. I'm letting you down. Shh, stop, please. Come on. Let's get you down. Come on, we're gonna get you out of here.
No!
You gotta go, okay?
Chris! Ashley!
Blood? Whose blood is that, Ash?
Are you okay?
Chris, what happened?
Josh,
Josh, what, dude?
he's dead.
Wait,
Not right
what?
in front of us, man.
What are you talking
There's
about?
a maniac.
Maniac?
Oh my God, we gotta get out of here.
I don't understand what
There's
happened.
a maniac, and there was a saw, and it was either him or Ash, and I don't know what to do. It come right through my head, spilling out fucking everywhere.
What? Oh my God, Chris, what?
And I killed him. I killed him. It was my fault, man.
No, this is insane. We need to go get some help.
It cut right in half.
We're gonna figure this out.
I don't know.
Matt, we need to go get help now.
I don't know.
And we should look for the others.
Mike and Jess are off 69ing each other, and who knows where Sam
I
is.
think she's in the lodge.
Fine, you're right. Get everyone else together, but if there's a maniac running around, I think we need to get some help too, right? Not just wait around.
But what about...
Why are we still talking about this? Let's go!
Hello again. Things are getting pretty tense up there, aren't they? Is the night going the way you hoped it would? I see. And you think that these poor people are getting what they deserve? I'm trying to help you. And this game you're playing, you understand that it's not good for you. It's not good for anyone. And I can't say that you're showing much loyalty in the way you're playing. Do you intend to continue with this elaborate self-indulgence? Do you even believe that I am real? The heart of the problem, it all comes down to this. Can you really tell the difference anymore? I doubt it.
What the hell's that?
be a lot of things. None of them nice.
Quit it.
Here's our one-way ticket to the spirit realm.
I've just been through enough spooking for one night, okay? I see a hot bath in my crystal ball. So have fun.
Oh, we can do this! Jessica! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Shit.
There is one individual we're considering as a person of interest, but his whereabouts are currently unknown.
You know, there is still the old sanatorium on the mountain. Could he be hiding there?
Jesus. That's not good. That's really not good. Damn it. All right. Let's get a closer look. Oh, shit. Gross.
press snooping around this paradise. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is this what he was feeding them? Oh shit. 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 Fuck! Ah! Fucking fingers. Fucking fingers. Are you serious? Not gonna find a fucking key card? Oh, fucking sick. That's fucking sick. Okay, let's check this out. back in here. Easy, boy. Easy. Easy. That's a good boy. So, what have we here? Come on. Nice. Of course, locked. Okay.
I can't believe Josh is dead.
I can't believe how he died.
No, I mean, what if they were wrong?
What?
Maybe we should have checked the shed to see if it was really true.
I don't know. There are some things that once you see them, you can never unsee them.
Yeah, I guess, but some things you have to see for yourself.
I'll take their word for it. Look! An axe. I feel better with an axe.
Oh, what now? This is locked, Matt. Well, break the door down, will ya?
Whoa, wait a second. We start smashing shit down, he's gonna hear us.
Well, you got any better suggestions?
I don't know. What about... Look!
What?
A window.
That's great, Matt. I can just about fit my lip balm through that little slot.
No, come on.
You will never fit through there, big guy.
Okay, fine. Here goes. I'm gonna huff, and I'm gonna...
Shh, just do it!
Damn.
What happened?
This is crazy. crazy.
We were here just a few hours ago. This must have just happened.
What the fuck is going on?
It's got to be the guy, the one who got to Chris and Ash and Josh.
He's got to know this is the only way back.
Don't say that.
Look, the cable car's all the way out there.
Well, I mean, that's not far, right? You can jump it?
I'm good, Em. But not that good. Flattered, though.
Well, Matt, if you can't jump that, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
God, everything is like so busted up.
I think they knew exactly what they were doing. Someone really did a number on this joint.
Such a mess. This place
Hey,
was
look.
barely in working condition
tower.
before, and now? Hey, Magellan, maybe we should get the cable car working and take this show on the road, huh?
A mental hospital.
Great, that's like totally...
Gross?
No, just creepy. There's gotta be something we
Great.
can do.
No keys, no cable car. So, back to square one.
What about the fire tower on the map you found?
Well, I guess it's an option.
Oh, maybe it has a radio or something. I mean, it would, wouldn't it?
Probably, yeah.
Matt, we gotta get to that radio.
I don't know, Em. I mean, that could work, but I kind of think that maybe we should get back to the lodge for now. I mean, everyone's been split up for so long.
Wait, for real? What is it with you and going back to the lodge? You just want to hide out in your room and cry.
What? No.
Don't be a pussy. We gotta do this, Matt.
Fine. Fine. Whatever you say.
Oh, hold up.
What's cooking? Good looking?
Getting us out of here, Mr. Meat for Brains. Look at this bad boy. You're coming with me, buddy. And just like magic, come on down. We can totally get out here this way.
You alright?
Yeah, thanks. Maybe, you should go first to protect me. Okay. Okay, easy now.
Okay. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Almost. Almost.
I'm feeling kind of faint.
Don't look down.
Whoa.
Okay. Okay.
Holy cannoli, thank God that's over.
Yeah, for real.
What if it doesn't work?
What?
The radio.
It'll work.
But, okay, if it doesn't, we need a plan.
Maybe we can just climb down.
Climb down what?
The mountain.
Are you serious?
What's the big deal? It's not like it's floating in the sky.
It might as well be. It's pitch black out.
Hey, hopefully we won't have to.
You think the psychopath is just gonna give up and run away?
No. But maybe we should find a safe spot. Hole up, wait it out. It'll be a lot easier to figure this all out in the morning.
As long as we don't hide in the lodge, that's where he expects us to go. Whoa, this is Beth's phone.
I thought the police, like, swept the whole area.
Well, it looks like they missed this.
Watch where you step around here, Em.
Yes, Matt. Given the choice, I'd prefer not to spend my evening plummeting to my death off a snowy cliff top. Matt, what is that?
I don't know.
Jesus!